Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Strava app with Strava account, full guide step by step clearly. To install the Strava app, start by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Strava and press search. Locate the Strava app in the search results. Tap on the Strava app icon. Then, tap on the Install button. Once the installation is complete, select Open to launch the app. After the app opens, tap on Join the Club to create your account. You will see options to sign up with your email or connect via Google or Facebook. Choose your preferred sign-up method. If you opt for email, fill in the required fields. Enter your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to check the Terms and Conditions box. Then, tap on Sign Up. You may receive a verification email. Check your inbox. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Strava app once your email is verified. Log in using your email and password if prompted. Now personalize your profile by adding additional information like your profile picture and fitness preferences. After completing your profile, explore the app's features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You can now start recording your activities and connect with friends. Make the most of the app by setting your goals and tracking your progress. Enjoy using Strava to enhance your fitness journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.